Hey guys, and welcome to Ask William. Today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you how to fit the propeller holders for the Mavic Air 2 by PGYTECH. I will also be showing you a little trick that'll make your propellers last even longer. I'm a firm believer in prevention is better than the cure, so take it from me. If there is a way you can protect your investment by purchasing 2 inexpensive propeller holders, get them before you start flying your drone. Propeller holders are particularly useful when transporting your drone. Without the holders, the propeller seems to hook onto things, damaging not only the propeller tips but also the bag it's transported in. While waiting for your holders to arrive, you can protect your drone by using a single piece of elastic. Fold up the drone like you would normally do after a flight. Take a piece of elastic and wrap it around the drone. Please note this is not a long-term solution because it still keeps the ends of the propellers exposed. Long-term solution? Introducing Propeller Holder by PGYTECH. On initial inspection, a very small but sturdy box displays the propeller holders clearly on the front of the package. Scanning the QR code on the side of the box will take you to the new product section of PGYTECH's website. Okay, let's open it up. Inside you will find a box with the propeller holders attached, wrapped in a thick piece of plastic. Slide off the plastic to reveal the 2 propeller holders. Now remove both holders from the cardboard. The bottom holder is made of a very durable rubber. Its flexibility should keep the bottom 2 propellers firmly in position. The top propeller holder has 2 plastic hinges on the side with a flexible piece of rubber in between them. Also in the box is an instruction card and 2 PGYTECH stickers. Here is how we fit all of it together. With your drone's top propellers folded up, make sure that the end of your propeller tips are over the power button of your battery. The top propeller fits perfectly on the side shape of the drone and easily clips in on either side, with the propellers tucked in under the rubber strap. This is the view fitting them from the side. For the bottom holder, lay the drone on its back. Bring your propellers together over the LED light. Now slide the tips of your propeller into the opening provided. The one downside I discovered is that with the bottom holder propeller attached, all the weight of the drone is on the bottom of the propeller arms and can in time cause them to bend. If not in transit, my tip is to place the propeller holder under the gimbal protector. This will take all the weight off the arms, letting them hang in the air. And there we have it, propeller holder for the Mavic Air 2 by PGYTECH. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite drone accessory is. And like always, like and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see when I post more videos like this. From me, William, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.